we are going to compare Flowmaster versus Magnaflow. It could be challenging to decide the best one between the two quality holder. But now it's super easy as we have presented each and every differences side by side. However, enjoy the video and continue till the end as it's important to know who is the winner. Well, when you need to pick the one, you must listen to your preference first. Not others. Right. Now we gonna show the comparison point by point. Muffler basic. Sound comparison. Exhaust material. Catalytic converter comparison. And price difference too. Oh no. You are in hurry. Let's take a look on the top picks according to our research. Number 1. Flowmaster 40 Series Muffler. Aggressive tone for the turbos. Number 2. Magnaflow Muffler. Improved sound with resonator delete. Number 3. Flowmaster 50 Series Muffler. Milder tone for street rod. Number 4. Magnaflow Muffler for highways. Loud but quieter drone. Number 5. Flowmaster 70 Series Muffler. Patent DFT with reduced drone. By the way, let's have a one-on-one battle between these two, and grab the one that just hit your choice. For first, Muffler Basic. When the necessity of more aggressive with refined sound arises, Flowmaster introduced two milestone exhaust mufflers, one with a dual-chamber design that drones and the other are a three-chamber design muffler that is drone-free. However, Magnaflow is not lagged. When the question comes to the front for Magnaflow drone problems on the highways, Magnaflow launched their new NDT, no drone technology, module exhaust mufflers, especially for the overlanders. Next is sound comparison. Moving on to the Flowmaster exhaust system. That sounds quite cracky but deep to milder depending on the muffler type. On the other hand, Magnaflow exhaust sounds deep. What about exhaust difference? Most Flowmaster uses aluminum material with polished steel tips sometimes. It also comes with stainless steel material with finely exterior polishing paint that gives you a long time service with proper sound. On the other hand, the Magnaflow exhaust systems are made of high-quality stainless steel from the start. It seemed to be rust-free for a longer period and tend to be lighter in weight also. Now it's time to talk about the catalytic converter comparison. The Flowmaster's catalytic converter comes with an inline resonator with a minute to max, 2.0 and 3.0, inlet and outlet. On the contrary, the Magnaflow's converter gives you some bigger inlet and outlet diameter, min 2.0 to max 4 as well. Finally, price difference. At this point, Flowmaster's price is comparatively low. On the contrary, in performance and quality, Magnaflow drone and exhausts cost you more than the Flowmaster. However, after the above comparison, we hope you understood two mufflers' functions and exhaust drone. So, what you wish to have in your car or truck, make your choice now. And don't forget to check the description below where hot picks are waiting.